Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can close or pause your Grab merchant account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you need to do is simply tap open a web browser of your preference and open your Gmail there. So once you open your Gmail, you will end up in this kind of interface. So simply tap on the compose option. So once you tapped on the compose as well, all you need to do now is simply in the to option, type in the Gmail address help@getgrab.com. Once you type this address in the subject section, you can simply type in delete my account or close my account. So after you are done typing it as well, you need to now give reason why you want to delete your account or why you want to pause it for a while. So you can even pause it or you can simply close your account by simply mailing the Get Grab email ID. So after you are done doing this, you will get a reply back, and by following all the credentials that has been asked and by verifying yourself, you can simply close or pause your Grab merchant account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more interesting videos. Thank you for watching.